friends. Welcome to Yoruba Learning Adventure. Today, we're going on an action adventure. Are you ready? Say mo ti ṣetán, meaning I am ready. Repeat after me. Mo ti ṣetán. Good. Let's go. We need to find the magic treasure. But to get it, we must complete action challenges in Yoruba. Listen carefully and do what I say. Everybody, wah! Come closer, faster, wah! Now, la. This means go back, go far. La. Again, la. Uh-oh, something's coming. Quick, Sáré. That means run. Faster, Sáré, Sáré. There's a river. Jump over it. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hide. Sit down. Jókòó. Say that again. Jókòó. Okay, stand up. That means Dúró. Yes, Dúró. You did great. Pàtẹ. 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 That means clap. The treasure is close. Dance. Let's dance. Now, let's play a game. Listen and act fast. Dúró.
Jókòó. 4.
Sáré. Pàtẹ. If I don't say ja, please don't do it. Ja. Dúró. Ja. Jókòó. 4. Sáré. Ja. Pàtẹ. You are amazing! I can't wait to see you next time on Yoruba Learning Adventure. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye, friends! Ó dàbọ̀!